In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to add a text behind you effect to your video. First off, you go to Capcut. When you go to Capcut, to select the image you want to add the text behind you. Then after selecting it, I click on text. The text that I want to add, I'm going to click on it. The text I'll be adding here is text behind. So I'm inputting it, which I'll be putting there. So text behind, you see how it is. So I'm trying to increase the size so that it will be more bigger, trying to fix it very well. So now I changed the color, so the mixture of white and black now, apart from the pure white that was there before. So now I want to, yeah, so I'm trying to resize it so to become bigger. Now I export this to my phone. After exporting it to my phone, see what we are going to do next. So it has been exported to my phone now. I go back to my CapCut and I click first on the one that I added the text on. Don't forget. So this is the one that I added the text front on. So I'm going to click on overlay. I'm going to click on that exact image that there was no text there. So I'm now going to expand it to fit into the first one I first input. Now I'm going to click on remove. I'm going to click on the one that there is no text, and I'm going to click on auto remover to remove the background. The background has been removed. As you can see, the text is now behind me compared to when it was at my front. So this was when it was at my front. You can see now, you are going to see the difference. This was where it was behind me. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found it helpful. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.